In this video, we are going to see the example of count A and count if in Excel. So in the last video, we have converted all the blank cells and replaced it with A to make sure that they are genuinely absent and we haven't accidentally removed the numbers from the cell just by keeping it blank. So when we scroll down, we see the effect of it. Here we just applied the formula of count blank, but now this is not blank, right? So what formula do we use? Let's see what options do we have. Equals to count. Now there is something which says count A, but when we see it, it says count the numbers of the cells in a range that are not empty. So basically, if you want to count all the alphabets and numbers, the count A function is used. So let's say I want to see the total students count. In that situation, I can use count A. So even if it is a number or an absent, just stop before the subject name, otherwise it will count that as well. So if we hit enter, it is able to count both alphabets and numbers, while the count function only counts for the numbers. But here what we'll use, because we just have to count whatever is A, means absent, equals to count if works here. So it has a condition where we just have to select the range. I'll just select this complete range. Doesn't matter if we select or include the heading in that. And after that, the criteria is I just want to count A. So select the whole range and count A out of that. So it is able to identify that only 3 students were absent. Let's scroll towards right and you can make the total here as well. It's very accurate. 46 students were present, 4 were absent. So all of these makes the total of 50, and that's how we can also confirm that the formula is working perfectly fine. So that's how you can apply the count A and count if. And guys, these are all the functions that is very important. So I am explaining you all on this simple example so that you can easily grasp that. We will see some further complex examples as well, and we will see many amazing AI functions in Excel. What I want is I want you to practice it and learn some techniques as well so that we can effectively use AI. If you're completely blank to Excel and you don't know how different formulas work and what kind of requirements are there in order to customize a formula according to the situations, then you can't even use AI with effectiveness. First of all, we will learn all the functions. We will see smarter and smarter techniques of doing things, and then we will move to the AI functions, because AI is just on a next level. It is able to do everything, no matter if you don't know a single thing about Excel. But what we are planning here, that if you want to use professionally, there are some situations that you need to learn first, then you can even explain AI. Otherwise you won't be able to mention the right prompt, because you yourself will not know what requirements do you have. So we will see everything step by step. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.